everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kyian and you are watching Kyian by Design. And today I'm going to be participating in the July Look for Less challenge. The Look for Less challenge is a monthly challenge where you're supposed to find a high-end piece of decor and recreate it for a lot less. Hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door with a different co-host every month. And this month her co-host is Kyian from DIY Beauty on Purpose. I will be sure to link both of these ladies' channels down in the description below, as well as the July Look for Less challenge playlist so you can check out everyone else who participated. Now for this challenge, I was inspired by this round wrought iron shelf that I found on Amazon, but the inspiration piece cost just a little over $300, so I think I can recreate it for a whole lot less. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new DIY video. But now let's get started. For this DIY, I'll be using 2 large hula hoops. I got these at Five Below for about $2 a piece. These Dollar Tree shovels that I took the tops off of, this metallic oil rubbed bronze spray paint, 2 pieces of wood cut to 24 inches and 1 cut to 32 inches, E6000, a staple gun, wood stain of your choice, a palm sander, pliers, a drill, and wood screws. I'm going to start by taking my pliers and removing these staples from my hula hoop so that I can empty out these noise-making beads from the inside. I'll be applying E6000 before sliding the hoop back into shape and using my staple gun to reinforce it. Then taking all 4 of my Dollar Tree shovel handles, I'm going to mark them all at 7 inches. Moving outside, I'm going to start by spraying both of my hula hoops with this oil rubbed bronze spray paint, and while that dries, I'm going to take my palm sander and smooth down the boards that will become my shelves. And once I'm done sanding the boards, I'm going to take my trusty Varathane wood stain in red oak, and with a rag, I'm going to apply it evenly on all sides of my boards. I also cut down my Dollar Tree shovel handles where they were marked and stained them to match. Once everything was dry, I moved back inside and began assembling my shelf. I started by taking my boards and laying them on the floor on the hoops to make sure that everything was even and level. Then I'll be taking my drill and drilling some pilot holes before I send the screws through. I will then flip it over and repeat the same process with the second hoop. To attach the legs, I simply held the Dollar Tree shovel handles where I wanted them to be positioned on the board and shot through the other side with my drill to create a pilot hole in both the board and the handle. Then I'll be going back in with a wood screw to secure the legs in place and repeating this process for all the other legs. With my shelf standing upright, I'm going to locate where I want the top shelf to be before screwing it in on one side on both the front and back, finding out where it's level, and then attaching it to the other side. Then I'll be laying it back down and putting my middle shelf in place before repeating the same process of attaching it on one side, standing it upright, placing my level on the shelf, and then attaching it to the opposite side. Once that was done, I needed to touch up my spray paint a bit from the damages, but after that, all I did was style some of my favorite pieces on it, and my industrial-inspired round shelf was done. Now let's compare. The original piece that I found on Amazon was $312.15, and my DIY piece with the cost of materials that I didn't already have came to about $16. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my submission for the July Look for Less challenge. Thank you so much to Yami and Kyian for hosting this month. Again, make sure to check out both of their channels and the link to the Look for Less challenge playlist down below. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss when I post a video. If you liked this DIY, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to follow me on all of my social media. All of the links will be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Kyian by Design, and I'll see you next time. Bye!